We're at 1429 Grant. It smells like death in this house. I can't explain to you enough how badly it smells. There's fur. I don't know of what kind of animal all over the floor. There's feces. It's definitely not great. So carpet needs to be replaced. Paint in this little front room is okay. Windows are very old, and they don't function that well, so we need to look into that. In general, the paint's not the worst I've ever seen, but it does need to be cleaned up, and if it can't be, then we need to repaint. This little room is hardwood floors. They're pretty rough, so talk to Bill, see if he wants to screen them. Probably could very much use it. Paint in here. Looks like we might have a little bit of a leak situation right here. Make sure that that's remedied. Touch up all of this. Do the floors. Make sure we do not have a leak there either. Whew. No power. For sure carpet and paint in that room. Kitchen. Decent. Small. Clean it up. I don't know. This little room, flooring just needs to be cleaned. Oh my gosh, it smells so bad. I'm not going to touch that fridge, but it is clearly leaking. Oh, I don't want to know what's in that. So probably that will have to be replaced. I can't imagine that whatever is leaking out of it is good or can be fixed. Oh, man alive. Let's look at this bathroom here. It's a cute little bathroom. It's a walk-through. Oh, Jack and Jill. Clean this tub. Get it reglazed. It's going to be reglazed for sure. Clean all of this tile. Okay. Get the yard trimmed, all of the trees. And we should be good here.